Have you ever cracked an egg for breakfast and just tossed the shell in the trash without a second thought? If you have, you're like most people. But what if I told you that you're throwing away a little powerhouse of natural medicine? Seriously, that fragile shell you just discarded is packed with incredible benefits for your body, especially for your bones and joints. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at an eggshell the same way again. Most of us know we need calcium for strong bones, right? We drink milk, eat cheese, maybe even take supplements. But eggshells are one of the most potent, natural, and easily absorbed sources of calcium on the planet. We're talking about a treasure trove of minerals that can help fortify your skeleton, protect your joints from wear and tear, and even give your skin, hair, and nails a healthy boost. It sounds almost too good to be true, but the science behind it is fascinating. So, what's actually in an eggshell that makes it so special? Well, the shell itself is made up of over 90% calcium carbonate. This is the very same form of calcium that makes up our bones and teeth. This means our bodies recognize it and can absorb it incredibly efficiently. Think about it. Nature designed the eggshell to provide all the necessary calcium for a developing chick to build its own skeleton. It's a perfect, pre-packaged source of this vital mineral. Just the shells, from about 10 to 15 eggs, can provide enough calcium to support your entire musculoskeletal system. This is a game changer, especially as we get older and start worrying about things like bone density and joint stiffness. Keeping your bones strong and your joints flexible is key to staying active and enjoying life to the fullest. And this simple kitchen scrap can be your secret weapon. But wait, there's more. It's not just about the hard outer shell. Have you ever noticed that thin, paper-like membrane on the inside of the shell? Don't discard that either. That inner membrane is a hidden gem. It's rich in compounds like collagen, glucosamine, and hyaluronic acid. If those names sound familiar, it's because they're the star ingredients in expensive joint support supplements. Glucosamine helps build and repair cartilage, the cushion in our joints, and hyaluronic acid is famous for lubricating joints and keeping them moving smoothly. So when you use the whole eggshell, you're getting a 2-for-1 deal. Bone-strengthening calcium from the shell and joint-soothing compounds from the membrane. This combination is what makes eggshells a truly holistic remedy for musculoskeletal health. There's a simple preparation process to turn them into a safe and effective supplement powder, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, hygiene. You need to clean the shells properly. After you crack your eggs, give the shells a good wash in warm, soapy water. Then rinse them thoroughly under running water to make sure there's no egg white residue left. You want them to be squeaky clean. This step is crucial for getting rid of any potential bacteria. Next up is sterilization. Once your shells are clean, spread them out on a baking sheet. Pop them into an oven preheated to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees Celsius. Let them bake for about 10 minutes. This not only dries them out completely, making them brittle and easy to grind, but it also sterilizes them, ensuring they are perfectly safe for consumption. You'll know they're ready when they are dry and a little bit toasted. Now for the fun part, grinding. After the shells have cooled down, it's time to turn them into a fine powder. You can use a clean coffee grinder, a high-powered blender, or even a mortar and pestle if you want a good arm workout. The goal is to grind them as finely as you possibly can. You want a consistency like flour, with no sharp or gritty bits. The final step is to sift the powder. Pour your ground shells through a fine mesh sieve. This will catch any larger pieces that didn't get fully ground. You can regrind these larger pieces, or just discard them. What you're left with is a superfine, silky powder. This is your homemade, all-natural calcium supplement. Transfer this precious powder into a clean, dry, airtight glass jar for storage. Kept in a cool, dark place, it will last for months. So, you've made your eggshell powder. How do you actually use it? It's incredibly versatile. The recommended daily amount is about half to 1 teaspoon. Because the powder is so fine and virtually tasteless, you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Sprinkle it over your oatmeal or cereal in the morning. Mix it into a smoothie or a protein shake. You won't even know it's there. You can stir it into yogurt, soups, or stews. You can even just mix it into a small glass of water or juice and drink it down. The key is consistency. Taking it daily allows the calcium and other minerals to build up in your system and start working their magic. What kind of results can you expect? Medical research has shown that the natural calcium from eggshells can be a powerful tool in preventing and managing osteoporosis, a condition where bones become weak and brittle. Studies have indicated that this highly absorbable calcium can significantly improve bone mineral density. Many people who start taking eggshell powder consistently report noticeable improvements within a few weeks. They feel less discomfort in their knees or back. They notice that their joints feel more flexible and less stiff, especially in the mornings. And the benefits aren't just internal. Remember that collagen and other goodies in the membrane? They work wonders for your appearance too. Users often report that their nails become stronger and less prone to breaking. Their hair might feel thicker and healthier, and their skin can gain a bit of elasticity and glow. It's an inside-out approach to wellness. You're not just masking symptoms, you're providing your body with the fundamental building blocks it needs to repair and strengthen itself from within. It's a simple, sustainable, and incredibly affordable way to invest in your long-term health. Let's think about the bigger picture for a moment. By using eggshells, you're also doing something great for the environment. Instead of contributing to food waste, you're practicing what's called upcycling, taking a waste product and turning it into something of higher value. Every time you save an eggshell, you're making a conscious choice to reduce waste and live more sustainably. It's a small action, but when millions of us do it, it makes a huge difference. Plus, you're saving money on expensive supplements that often contain synthetic ingredients and fillers. This is pure, unadulterated, nature-made medicine. So the next time you're in the kitchen making an omelette or baking a cake, pause for a moment before you toss that shell. Remember what you've learned today. That shell isn't just kitchen garbage. It's a gift from nature. It's a powerful, natural medicine for your joints and a fortress for your bones. It's a simple way to take control of your health and give your body the essential minerals it deserves. Start collecting your shells today. Follow the simple steps to prepare them and begin incorporating this amazing powder into your diet. Your body will thank you for it. You might just be surprised at how much better you feel. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me on this journey to better health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on natural wellness. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever tried using eggshell powder before? Share your experience. See you next time.